Oh. Can it should open? I don't know. Okay, I hope opening. Yes, I open. Oh my god. I can open. Oh. Look guys. I can open. Why? Can I just open that car? That car is cool. I have a C. Wow. Look. Oh my god. This beautifulness. I can just believe. Three days later. Wait a minute. So I can reveal to your video, hit the like button and subscribe. If you know, please do something to help me so I can do anything you want it. Have to like and subscribe, leave on comment instead. So first to subscribe and the second is comment. Leave below to like and subscribe. Now, it is time's up. I guess I just lost a Supra, Toyota Supra, you know, but I have revealed to your others from the parts from design. Do you think I like it? So that car, it maybe gets slot at from parts free from the Fast and the Furious. No, it is Liberty Walk. That was cool. I know this is cool car, but I doesn't see. You look. Oh my god. This revealed so amazing. Wow. Nice. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe.